Alright guys, we're gonna cruise it around the street a little bit just to work the transmission in. Just head down back in here a few times, so we'll just let you hear it. Here we go. Man, it shifts like butter. I mean, it is so silky smooth. Oh my goodness. Even better than it was before. Like, wow, just silky smooth shifting. Good grief. That thing feels so smooth. I mean, wow. That's that's my first time with an engine rebuild like that, from top to bottom. Transmission, all bearings, all seals. I even replaced, shift shaft and other stuff that didn't even need to be replaced, but I went ahead and did it anyway because you're going that far into it, and this is a bike that I'm keeping this bike basically forever. So we replaced everything inside there basically. Good grief. Really felt nice. That's all I can say. I mean, I would compare it to how a brand new bike feels. I mean, goodness, it's what you want it to feel like. Really, really good. I know I'm probably boring some of you to tears with all this, but when you do a project this involved, it just feels good when it seems to turn out okay and it runs good, it shifts good. I mean, everything inside that bottom end, everything. Clutch. I mean, we kept the gears themselves as far as the transmission goes because they were fine. But as far as all seals, all clips, all bearings, all even the power valve linkage, Kickstarter spring, You know, just shift shaft, just everything. Everything inside there. New flywheel, new stator, new CDI, all the new electronics, everything. New kill switch even. You know, some of it's maybe ridiculous, but here's our hour meter. There you go. Pretty slick. Just tons of new stuff, you know. I mean, I haven't ridden this thing in a long time. I won't even tell you how long it's been, but because of this project, it just basically kept the bike down for a very long time, and it is ready to rock and roll. Thoroughly happy about that. Anywho, I won't bore you guys any longer, but yeah, Mr. White is running fantastic, and we're ready to get it back out on the track. And make sure you check out all our other videos. Y'all have a good day. We'll see ya.